Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Levent, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. What about you?
I have two sisters.
Great, because today we're talking about family. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Today's topic is family.
You will learn how to talk about your mother, father, brothers, sisters.
All the family members.
Let's learn together.
But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready? First, let's learn about immediate family. Immediate family is your closest family. Let's learn about family member 1.
Family member 1, mother.
Your mother is your mom. Your mama.
Repeat, mother.
Mom.
Mother.
I love my mother. Family member 2 is father.
Your father is your dad, your papa.
Repeat. Father.
Dad?
Father.
My father is very kind. Family member 3 is parents.
Parents means mother and father together.
Repeat. Parents.
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 My parents live in America. Family member 4 is brother.
A brother is a boy in your family. Same parents.
Repeat. Brother.
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 I have one brother. His name is Ali.
Family member 5 is sister.
A sister is a girl in your family, same parents.
Repeat. Sister.
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 Sister. I have 2 sisters. Family member 6 is son.
Your son is your male child.
Repeat. Son.
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 I have one son.
Family member 7 is daughter.
Your daughter is your female child.
Repeat. Daughter.
Daughters.
Daughter.
She has 2 daughters.
Family member 8 is children.
Children means sons and daughters together. Plural. This is just more than one. This can also be 2 sons or 2 daughters, or any amount more than one.
Repeat. Children.
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 I have 3 children.
Great. Now let's learn extended family.
Extended family 1 is grandmother.
Your grandmother is your mother's mother or father's mother. We also say grandma or granny. Repeat. Grandmother.
Grandma.
Grandmother.
Grandma.
Repeat. Grandmother.
My grandmother is 80 years old.
Extended family 2, grandfather.
Your grandfather is your mother's father or father's father.
We also say grandpa.
Repeat. Grandfather.
Grandpa.
Grandfather.
My grandfather loves gardening.
Extended family 3 is grandparents.
Grandparents means grandmother and grandfather together.
Repeat. Grandparents.
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 I visit my grandparents every Sunday.
Extended family 4 is uncle.
Your uncle is your mother's brother or father's brother.
Repeat. Uncle.
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 I have 2 uncles.
Extended family 5 is aunt.
Your aunt is your mother's sister or father's sister.
Repeat. Aunt.
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 My aunt lives in Canada.
Extended family 6 is cousin.
Your cousin is your uncle's child or aunt's child.
Repeat. Cousin.
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 I have many cousins, about 10.
Wow, big family. Extended family 7 is husband.
A husband is a married man.
Repeat. Husband.
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 My husband is very nice.
Extended family 8 is wife.
A wife is a married woman.
Repeat wife.
Wife.
Wife. My wife is a teacher.
Perfect.
Now let's learn how to describe your family.
Phrase 1. I have.
Use this to say who is in your family.
Examples. I have 2 brothers. I have 1 sister. I have 3 children.
Repeat. I have.
Phrase 2. I don't have.
Use this when you don't have someone.
Examples. I don't have brothers. I don't have sisters. I don't have children.
Repeat. I don't have.
Phrase 3. My family member is.
Use this to describe someone.
Examples. My mother is a teacher. My father is a doctor. My brother is tall.
Repeat. My is.
You can also describe your family size.
My family is small. My family is big. My family is very large.
For example, my family is big. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters.
Wow. My family is small. I have 2 sisters, no brothers.
Conversation 1. Meeting someone new.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. What about you?
I have 2 sisters, no brothers.
Oh, nice. Is your family big or small?
It's small, just my parents and my 2 sisters.
Let's repeat that conversation slowly.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. What about you?
I have 2 sisters, no brothers.
Oh, nice. Is your family big or small?
It's small, just my parents and my 2 sisters.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher. What about your father?
My father is a doctor.
Oh, interesting. And your mother?
My mother is a nurse.
Nice. Tell me about your family.
Well, I have a small family. I have a wife and 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter.
How old are your children?
My son is 10 years old, and my daughter is 7 years old.
That's lovely. Let's practice.
I have 1 blank. A boy in your family.
The answer is, I have 1 brother. My blank and blank are my parents. What 2 words?
The answer is, my mother and father are my parents. My mother's mother is my blank. Who?
The answer is my grandmother. Now talk about your family.
Answer these questions out loud.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
How many brothers do you have?
How many sisters do you have?
Is your family big or small?
What does your father do?
What does your mother do?
Excellent practice.
Great job today.
You learned so much about family.
You learned mother, father, parents, brother, sister, son, daughter, children, grandmother, grandfather, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin, husband, wife.
And you learned how to say, I have, I don't have, my family is big, small.
Practice talking about your family with friends.
In the next episode, we're learning about jobs. What do you do? I'm a teacher.
I'm a doctor.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below. Tell us, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.